and also several major government agencies. So the idea here is how we can combine AI and also earth science to study how the Earth change, right? In my specialty is on the ocean research. So Xipeng mentioned a few things, and the collaboration he has done with my colleague Lian. So they are working on the hurricane. In my case, I focus more on the ocean side. So I have a photo. Spent quite some time in my early years in the ocean and doing the research and collecting the data, and now focus more on the building the better AI models to understand the ocean as well. So this is ongoing efforts, and here within the university, so we also start building the, cutting across different boundaries, right? So we have marine scientists like myself and Paul, and also computer scientists like DK is also in the room. So we're trying to start doing more and more integrations within the universities. And in this case, also students. I see a few students here. Bowen is here, and Jayash is here. So the idea is how we can start utilizing advanced AI and also the marine science knowledge. So focusing on 3 different applications. One is on the ocean AI prediction. I heard a few colleagues here mentioning about the large language model is just one of the 3 lags, right? So ocean predictions, but also lots of data in the past. So we are doing data mining using AI, and certainly using the large language model and AI agent to solve the earth science issues. So Paul has been leading that efforts, and there's lots of exciting results came out of this joint efforts we call MARINA, right? So it's a Marine Artificial Intelligence and the Research Alliances. The idea is to expand. So we are going to expand from NC State to other universities, and certainly look into partnership with industry and also government agencies. So I think similar concept as RTAI, we want to start building a local hub, but came out of the NC State University ecosystem. Part of university building is to bring the technologies into the real world problem solving. And so this is also another efforts we're doing. So Fathom Science is an NC State startup company. And the idea is we want to bring the science technology developed from the research laboratories into the real world problem solving. And in this case, the tagline here is unleashing AI out to sea. So I think like Helen mentioned, so NC State is very big at entrepreneurship. I think Highboy is a great example. And in this case, we are trying to start building so-called digital twin of the ocean and also the AI predictions. So the group spun out of NC State 2024. So this is 15 months in the process. And the idea is to keep advancing AI in oceanography, but be able to solve the real world problem, such as shipping, and also the air pollution, oil pollutions, and also the extreme weather conditions impacts on the industry and also society. So how we are doing that? In this case, we are really start linking the Earth system modeling, fully coupled Earth system modeling with AI and the data analytics and also cloud computing. So by doing so, the idea is to deliver the actionable information intelligence to support day-by-day decision-making, right? So in this case, by using AI, we are able to start building 100 times final resolutions and also better accuracies to support the industry and also societal missions. And let me jump into a few examples, right? So in this case, we are looking to ports, shipping, and offshore platforms, including wind farms and also conventional, drilling rigs in the oceans. But certainly, last not the least, is on the marine resiliency, right? How the community is responding to major weather events like hurricanes. So this is one example showing the digital twin AI engine we developed for Singapore, Port of Singapore. So as you have been to Singapore, you know that this is a very busy port with thousands of vessels waiting in the anchorage area. And in this case, the digital twin allows us to get a very high resolution, hyper-local information all the way to the platform scale, right? So you can easily go to the vessel and then start looking to the mid-ocean conditions, meteorological and ocean conditions generated by these combinations of Earth system models and also AI. So another example here is about digital twin of offshore platform. So this is offshore of North Carolina. And you can see that Chesapeake Bay, Outer Bank in the background. And then you see the color vectors. That's a strong ocean currents called Gulf Stream. But there's many efforts ongoing developing the offshore wind platforms. Right? In this case, we can using Ocean AI engine to start pinpoint the mid-ocean conditions right at each individual wind turbines. Again, the idea is to support many critical day-by-day decision makings. And finally, another example here, this is a collaboration with SAS, looking to so-called data for good, right? So we are trying to start building the AI and also ocean prediction capability to protect the North Atlantic right whale. So far, this is endangered species. We have 350 of them, and they are killed by ship strike. So every time when they are moving in the ocean, major vessel running over them and they got killed, right? So in this case, we've been working with SAS to build statistical models, again, using AI to train oceanography with the right whale habitat, and then we combine them to make that into a prediction capability. So day by day, you are able to see the hotspot of the right whale, and by doing so, you can inform this to the captains, and so they can slow down the vessel or change the path of the vessel. And by doing so, we are saving this endangered species. So just a few examples, right? This is how we are using, again, our domain knowledge, like Xipeng mentioned, and also computer science, and also embracing the ever-evolving AI machine learning to improve the science, improve the solutions to support the community and also support our very precious marine ecosystem. So I will stop here.